The domain of our study is e-commerce, specifically online shopping application, to solve three types of problems faced by the current users. The first being the reliability and the authenticity of products sold online are doubted. Second, most of the online shopping application has complex UI design. And third, the majority of the online shopping application doesn't allow its users to customize the app according to their desire. Therefore, our application focuses to solve these problems by increasing its reliability, usability, and customizability to obtain high user satisfaction and allowing users to feel safe and confident in using our application. The entire workflow of the project starts off with analysis, followed by paper prototyping, and lastly end with app prototyping. In the analysis phase, a thorough background study has been made on the current online shopping application in the market, which is useful in enhancing the functionality, UI, and UX of our application, as well as focuses the type of users for our application, which are users that prioritize the reliability and authenticity of products sold online, non-tech savvy users, and users that value their time the most in performing transactions online. After that, we had finalized the functionality of our application, and the significant ones are the presence of e-wallet to allow users to perform any transaction faster, online refund and return submission to ease management of products to be refunded, news and notification that are customizable according to the user's desire, and help center that resolve their doubt in using the application. Besides, user analysis was conducted and we managed to determine that the possible users of our application are normal consumers and online vendors that will perform various tasks in our application, in which its workflow is simplified in a hierarchical diagram. At the end of the analysis phase, a SWOT analysis of our application comparing to the online shopping application in the market is conducted to ensure the competitiveness of our application in terms of its functionality and UX remains high compared to current online shopping application in the market. In paper prototyping and evaluation, heuristic analysis was conducted to ensure that our application interfaces complies to the 10 heuristic user interface designs. Later, Adobe XD was used to create wireframes and paper prototype of our application before proceeding to interface navigation of the UI of Dash application. Before moving on to the third stage, a user evaluation test was conducted through in-person interview to determine the weaknesses in terms of UX or UI of our application interfaces so that further improvement can be made later. In the final stage, a high-fidelity prototype of Dash application has been created using Adobe XD, and its design has taken the considerations of the feedbacks from users in stage 2. At the end, a final user evaluation has been conducted using Android phones to study about the learnability, visibility, error prevention, efficiency, consistency, color and contrast of our application. And based on the results, it can be concluded that our app is easy to learn, easy to see, support error preventions, and help users to perform their tasks efficiently. And we use consistent app icons and terms, as well as use suitable color in our application. The reflection of this project in terms of soft skills is we learned how to communicate well with each other to gain mutual understanding and agreement before making a decision in our project. Next, we've learned how to empathize our users, such as the non-tech savvy users or users that prioritize the time taken to perform the transaction online, so that we can create our application that fulfill their needs. In terms of hard skills, we've learned how to use a new software tool such as the Adobe XD to create wireframes and prototype for our application, as well as our knowledge regarding the 10 usability heuristic rules, as well as the 8 golden rules of user interface design are reinforced as we apply this knowledge in our project.